Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope so you all are fine and taking good care of your health by staying at home. Once again I am here, Barira Khalil, with the new lecture of English. I hope so you all are ready to learn a new topic. Are you ready? So first of all, I want to grab all of your attention to Oxford Discover Book 3, Unit 6. Dear students, open page number 56 of student book, Unit 6. Here are some pictures and some words are there. I hope so you can see. You have to read the words and you have to look the picture carefully. I know these terms and these words are difficult for you. You are not familiar with them. We will learn that what are these words one by one. Okay? The first word is sentence. I know you know a little bit about that. When I ask you to make the sentences, you make very good sentences. But do you know what is a sentence? A sentence is a complete thought. It can stand by itself and still make sense. Students, when we combine some words together to make sense, to give the complete thought, that is called a sentence. Some examples are here. The hair is blue. I was running. Okay, I know you can make some more sentences as well. Let's start. Make some sentences. The second word is rhyming words. Two words that sound alike are called rhyming words. Rhymes help to unify a poem. Have you ever seen a poem? There you can see some rhyming words. Rhyme means same sound. The same sounds words are there. So these are called rhyming words. You can see here cat, hat, dog, log, house, mouse, box, fox. The third word is verb. I know you know it very well that what are the verbs. Who is going to tell me that what are the verbs? Yes, very good. Verbs are doing or action words. All the action words are called verbs, like drive, walk, talk, jump, write, run, read, swim. Can you make some more verbs? Can you tell me some more verbs? Come on, hurry up, hurry up. Very good. Next is nouns. Words that you use to name a person, place, thing or any idea. Fine. I know you know the definition very well, that what the name of the person, place or thing or any idea, that is called nouns. Now can you give me some examples? Boy, thought, book, earth, school, laptop. Very good. Adjectives. Recently we have gone through with adjectives. So I know that you know very well what are the adjectives. An adjective describes a noun. Adjective always tells us about noun. Okay, there are different kinds of adjectives. We have gone through with color and size recently, but there are many types of adjectives are there. Adjective of color, size, sound, shape, number, taste, weather, texture. But we will not go in difficulties. So we just know that what are the adjectives? Adjectives that describes a noun, that tells us about noun or a pronoun. What is a syllable? Do you have any idea? We have done this in class 2 as well. That syllable is a part of a word containing vowel sound. Okay, when we read a word and it makes some sound, that is called a syllable. Sounds. Okay, and it must be having some vowel sound there. In one syllable there must be one vowel. I hope so you remember what are the vowels. A, I, O, U, E. Very good. So here is a word you can see on the screen. Reading. Reading is a word. When we read it, there are two syllables. Read, ing. The first syllable is read and the second syllable is ing. So there are many words in the book. You can also see that there are many words. You have to find the syllables there. Teacher. Teacher is a word, but when you count the syllables in that, you count it as teach. Two syllables are there in teacher. Okay. In the picture you can also see that there is written banana and watermelon, and it is divided in different syllables like ba, na, na. Different sounds. Okay. Watermelon. These are the different sounds. So these different sounds are called syllable. Dear students, open student book page number 58. Can you read the text with me? You can be a poet. Poets write about the world in the special way. They want to share the beauty and joy of life. You can be a poet too. Just remember these 3 points. You have to remember 3 points if you want to become a poet. Okay, listen. Number 1, a good poet observes things carefully. When you were going to school this morning, what did you notice? Nowadays you're not going to school. You can look around yourself. You can look around your house as well. Many poets write about the things they see around them. Okay. Number 2, a good poet has a good imagination. When you imagine, you create something in your mind. Then, when you write about it, others can enjoy your imagination too. Okay? The poems are mostly about your imaginations. Number 3, a good poet knows how to describe things. How does something look, smell, or feel? Does it make a sound? What about these things can make a poem interesting? There are different kinds of poems. Here are 3 examples that you can try right away. They are fun to write and fun to read. Let's try them. The very first kind of poems are acrostic. An acrostic poem uses all the letters of the topic word to describe the topic. Okay, we will discuss it. Now you can see here a word here, school. Can you see that? Yes. They have made a poem like super cool, happy, on time, outdoor play, learning. With the topic letter, they have made some words. Okay, can you make now some more? Here is a turtle as well. Can you make some more please? Very good. Yes, another kind of poems are sequin. The sequin poems have 5 lines. Okay, in first line we must have 1 noun. In second line we must have 2 adjectives. Now I hope so you have gone through with these noun, adjectives and verbs. So you must know that what are the noun, what are the adjectives and what are the verbs. Very good. In line 3 we will use 3 verbs. Okay, and in line 4 we have to make a sentence using our sense. Okay, and in line 5 we use another word for the noun, like it can be the topic, it can be the main topic. So here is an example, and you can find some more examples on page number 54 as well of student book. So here is a noun. In the first line you can see a noun. What is a noun? Very good. In the second line you can see two adjectives for that dragon, for that noun. Describing words for dragon are strong and fierce. Now in the third line we have to use three verbs. Very good. The three verbs are fly, walk, eat. Good. Now you have to make a sentence in the fourth line. Very good. And in the last line we have to give another noun, that is creature. Can you make some more poems now? Okay, the next topic and the last topic is haiku. Haiku poems from Japan. Haiku poems use an exact number of syllables in each line. Haiku poems are often about nature and one of the four seasons. Okay, the main thing is it is about nature. Okay, there must be 3 lines in these kind of poetry. In the first line we use 5 syllables. In the second line we use 7 syllables. And in the third line we use 5 syllables. I know that you know very well what are the syllables and how we can count the syllables in one word. Okay, here is an example. An old silent pond. Can you count the syllables here? An old silent pond. And 1. Old. 2. Silent. 3, 4. Pond. 1. So how many syllables we have used in the first line? 5 syllables. Very good. And now you have to count the syllables in the second line. From leaf to leaf hops a frog. Count the syllables now. Very good. And in the third line, looking for a meal. Look-ing. 2, 4. 3, 4. Very good. Meal. 5 syllables. Now you know how to count the syllables in sentence, in words. So you have to use 17 total syllables in haiku poems. Now can you make some more poems? I want to see. Very good. Here's a homework for you. You have to do page number 56 and 57. Yes, you have to read pages 58, 59 of student book and page number 50 of workbook. You have to do student's book page number 60. Do pages 48, 49, 51 of workbook. All the solved pages will be shared with you in a PDF file, and I hope so that all the terms, all the words were not so difficult for you now. Now you have gone through with these all the kinds. What we have done, girls, students, can you remind me all the things we have gone through with sentence, rhyming words, verb, noun, adjectives, syllable, and we have gone through that how to become a poet. Now I hope so I will find out different kinds of poems of sequin, acrostic and haiku kind of poems from you. Write on a poem, write on your name as well and send it to me. Waiting for your response. Stay home, stay safe, take good care of your health. Remember me in your prayers as well. We will meet next week inshallah with a lot of new information and new topics as well. And if you find any difficulty, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number and I will guide you inshallah there. And if you find any concern, you can contact me. Okay, see you next time. Bye.